Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming here for this tutorial. Please give me a subscribe, like, comments below on what you want to see next week. This week we're actually going to be doing a fine glitter and a chunky glitter. I went more into depth in my painting method as well as my glittering method and not so much my Brite Tone and sanding. But if you have any further questions about that, please either send me a message or give me a comment and I'll try to explain it all at the end. All right, we are here and we are going to be sanding our 30-ounce tumbler. We're going to let this completely dry. We'll be back. Okay, so we are going to be painting our 30-ounce tumbler. That's our first coat. We're gonna let that sit. We're gonna come back and hit it with the second coat, okay? So again, we're gonna let this dry for an hour and we'll be back to add our glitter. Okay guys, so we are gonna be doing our glitter now. So we're gonna be using Brite Tone because Extreme Protection dries faster. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's get started. The only thing I think is I might kind of touch up like where exactly it meets. All right, so now it's time for our E6000. Going to wait for this E6000 to dry and then we are going to be doing our smush step. Hey guys, so we are about to be smushing our tumbler. Now when I was spraying on the E6000, it literally shot the glitter in some places so hard that it took some of the glitter off. So what I think I'm going to do is after I smush this and I add a layer of BT, I might put some more glitter up top, which I also think would brighten this up anyway. So as you can see, I just did the top layer and I did it right to where that chunky meets, which I think looks great. Okay guys, we're gonna be applying our Brite Tone. Okay, we're all done. Alrighty, so we have just finished our very last coat of Brite Tone. So I kind of wanted to show you guys the cup all finished. So here it is, finished product. I mean, I know saying this is like weird, like I love the glare on this thing, but you can really tell how like spectacularly shiny these things get, which I love. So I thought I would just talk you through the process that I did. I did 4 coats of Brite Tone. I sanded it. I did 4 more coats of Brite Tone. I sanded it. I did 3 coats of Brite Tone. I sanded it. And I did 2 thick coats of Brite Tone. So in total, I finished with 13 coats, which is pretty good. I usually do about 10 to 12 for just fine glitter, and then I do about 13 to 17. Honestly, it just depends how it feels. I really think the smushing step is essential to not doing way more layers than you absolutely have to. But yeah, it's all done. I'll put a little video at the end so you guys can see it in action. And yeah, that's all for this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching to the end. Please comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!